here's the other thing though that I want you guys to look at with SPY yesterday, right? If we look at our 15-minute golden rule, right? Our 15-minute rule, the first 15-minute candle never broke pre-market high, right? So if that is the case, the overall consensus is typically to the downside, right? It never came above, because this is a large large cap stock, which means you get to use the 15-minute rule, which means if the very first 15-minute candle does not break pre-market high, most likely it is down for the day. You guys see it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It never, ever came back to pre-market levels. So this should tell you, if you're like, oh, I want to buy into calls, well, you better watch out, because the freight train is this way. So anytime we're going against the grain, you better be careful, right? So the first thing I would do is, I see this big old candle and I want to trend this thing. Like, where is this headed, right? Yeah, that's good. I mean, look at, same thing with Apple here, right? Look at the first 15-minute candle.